Today, let's explore a highly relevant topic, especially for men over 50, related to health and well-being. It may seem like a delicate subject, but understanding the relationship between masturbation and prostate health is essential for maintaining a balanced and healthy life. We invite you to watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel to gain access to valuable information that can transform your quality of life and happiness. To start, it's important to understand the role of the prostate. This gland, about the size of a walnut, is located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum. It plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. As men age, it's common for the prostate to enlarge, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This enlargement can cause urinary difficulties, making it a frequent issue among older men. In this context, a question arises: do activities like masturbation affect prostate health? This question is particularly relevant for those who already face prostate-related problems. Masturbation, also known as self-stimulation, is a natural and healthy practice, both psychologically and physically, especially in maturity. It offers various benefits. In addition to helping men connect better with their bodies, it also significantly reduces stress. During masturbation, the body releases endorphins, chemicals that relieve anxiety, improve mood, and bring a general sense of well-being. For many older men, this practice can also help combat feelings of loneliness and even depression, as it offers a moment of intimate connection with oneself without the need for a partner. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the scientific and emotional aspects of this topic, highlighting how it can positively impact prostate health and overall quality of life. Don't miss any detail. Various studies in the field of sexual science confirm that practices like masturbation bring significant benefits to overall health, especially for older adults. These findings emphasize the importance of such activities not only for physical well-being, but also for emotional health. Masturbation can be a powerful ally in preventing issues related to self-esteem, helping men develop a more positive perception of their sexuality and their bodies. One of the most important aspects of this practice is maintaining good blood circulation in the genital area, which is essential to ensure the tissues receive enough oxygen, contributing to the health of the reproductive system. Additionally, regular sexual activity, including masturbation, can play a preventive role against sexual dysfunctions, such as erectile dysfunction. It helps keep genital tissues functional, healthy, and sensitive, promoting greater sexual satisfaction and strengthening the connection with one's own body. These benefits are not limited to physical health. Medical studies also indicate that regular ejaculation can offer specific advantages for the prostate. Sexual activity promotes the release of beneficial chemicals in the body, contributing to a sense of well-being and mental health. Therefore, masturbation, when viewed from a scientific perspective, reveals itself as a practice that can support both emotional balance and the prevention of physical problems, reinforcing its importance for a fuller, healthier life. For example, a study conducted by a renowned university revealed that men over 50 who ejaculate regularly have a significantly lower risk of developing serious prostate issues. In this context, masturbation can be an effective alternative to protect prostate health, even without the need for a sexual partner. This happens because regular ejaculation helps release accumulated secretions in the prostate. When these secretions are not eliminated, the risk of infections and inflammation increases, which can lead to discomfort and more serious complications. Additionally, another urology study identified that men who ejaculate 2 to 3 times a week experience fewer urinary problems related to prostate enlargement. The explanation for this lies in the fact that ejaculation helps relieve pressure in the prostate area and removes accumulated substances, reducing the likelihood of urinary difficulties. These findings reinforce the idea that regular masturbation can be beneficial for healthy prostate function. However, it is crucial to emphasize that masturbation should not be viewed as a standalone solution or a treatment for prostate diseases. It should be considered as part of a comprehensive approach to self-care, complementing healthy habits such as balanced eating, weight management, and physical exercise to strengthen the pelvic region. Still, it is important to remember that everyone has their own unique circumstances. For men diagnosed with advanced prostate cancer or acute inflammations, masturbation may not be recommended. The prostate and surrounding tissues may be extremely sensitive, and the practice could cause discomfort or even pain. Therefore, it is always essential to seek medical advice to understand which habits are most suitable critical for each individual situation. Consulting a healthcare professional to understand how to safely engage in sexual activities, especially during treatments or recovery processes, is a responsible and natural approach. Many men are concerned that masturbation could worsen their health conditions, but experts suggest shifting perspectives. Viewing this practice as a form of self-care, rather than associating it with negative feelings, can help build a healthier relationship with one's own body. Adopting a balanced mindset and recognizing that sexuality is an integral part of overall well-being can help foster a positive connection with oneself. Seeking medical advice not only clarifies doubts, but also reduces anxiety and provides personalized guidance to maintain a safe and conscious active sex life. Ultimately, masturbation can be a beneficial practice for men over 50 as long as untreated prostate issues are not present. When practiced in moderation, it contributes to both mental and physical health, offering an opportunity for reconnection with the body and positively impacting prostate health. It's important to remember that everyone is unique, and discussing these matters with health and sexual professionals is always the best approach. These professionals can provide specific guidance tailored to individual needs. After all, sexuality is much more than a simple biological act. It's an essential element of overall well-being, deeply connected to mental and emotional health. It provides moments of intimacy and connection, whether with oneself or others, which becomes even more meaningful as we age. As we get older, our bodies and sexual functions undergo transformations. However, this doesn't mean giving up on a satisfying sex life. On the contrary, it's crucial to understand these changes and redefine our sexual needs and identity. Consciously caring for these aspects contributes to a deeper sense of well-being, promoting a healthy sex life that positively impacts quality of life at any age. A balanced sexuality and maturity is directly linked to healthy lifestyle habits, supporting not only physical health and mental clarity, but also increasing enjoyment of life and strengthening connections with others. By embracing and nurturing these dimensions of our identity in a respectful way, we can live more fully, enjoying intimacy and pleasure as important pillars for aging with quality and dignity. Before we continue with this video, I need to ask you, are you feeling tired, struggling to gain muscle, or dealing with reduced libido? It's time to take action. We present to you the Male Power Guide with 50 natural juice and shake recipes to boost testosterone. This book, filled with delicious and easy-to-make recipes, is the ultimate solution to increase your testosterone levels naturally, so you feel more energetic, stronger, and more confident every day. Get it now by clicking the link in the pinned first comment. Now, let's return to the video. Thank you for following our channel.